I have a spicy question to you guys. What is your favorite sex position? You first.
I don't do sex.
Libre daw kaping barako.
3 to 5. 3 to 5 para sa akin lang. Hindi naman, ipipinig ko naman sa akin. Kamera. Sa akin, bete iPhone 4.
Wow,
Bakit? Anong gusto mo?
planning to take out somebody right there.
Oh, I want to. Jara!
I just really contain myself for that.
Ako yung lalaki.
Yun lalaki. I want a ipam. Char!
There's someone right there in Tagaytay eh. You haven't saw him because you are busy doing your life.
I want a ipam. Video.
Yung papunta lang.
Nagbablog nga ako. Ito nga eh.
Nag-vlog ka?
Habang wala si Pat, di ko na lang
Yung vlogger na.
Si Dimi, si
Ang haggard na. Say hi!
Hey guys!
Hey guys! Hey guys!
Hi, welcome to my resort.
So, yung sasakyan namin, oh, pang survival. Haggard na. Oh my God! Oh my gulay! This is adventure. So this is the room. We have 4 bed and we're gonna stay here. We are all 15. So buksan natin yung lights. Ito na ba? Oh, wala pa yung... Ay, okay, sorry. Sorry, Trisha. So, may couch dyan. Okay. Dalawang swing and my bed. It's a tree house. I have a spicy question to you guys. What is your favorite sex position? You first.
I don't do sex.
Your favorite sex position? No!
Confidential.
Confidential. Alright, confidential. You?
Missionary.
What?
Missionary.
What's that? Can you?
You can search it.
Alright. What's your favorite sex position?
Sayo.
69. 69.
Ano yung question?
What's your favorite sex position?
Manager?
No manager? What's that?
Ay, di ba?
Dog style.
Dog style?
Wala yun. Napa nga eh.
Virgin? Oh my God. You. Virgin? Oh my God, you.
Parang na-promote yan kasi lahat ng possession na...
Lahat ng possession? Ah! Okay guys, do you want hard or what? Ano yung lagi yung ginagawa? Hard or gentle? Passionate? Gentle?
Intense.
Intense? Hard? Alright, you want hard?
Hardcore? Not applicable, wala pa ka, di ba?
Hard? Virgin talaga? Hindi ako naniniwala that you're virgin.
Not applicable, wala pa nga eh.
Okay, hard or gentle?
Hard.
Hard or gentle?
Both.
Both? Ah! Virgin talaga?
Grabe talaga ni Sai.
Fresh! Say hi. Adobo. So, say hi, Trish.
Hello, hi.
Sean. So, we're here walking and I think it's how many kilometers away from our resort. It's far away. So, we're gonna swim here because it's low tide. Nice, nice, nice.
Gagi, di tayo gusto-gusto dito.
Ayun, dalawa. Ganda nga eh.
Parang totoo.
Atras, atras! Atras, atras! Malalim yan. Oh my God. I think it's it. Ayun, maganda magpa-picture to. Fresh. Okay. Lomi. Up over.